going to seal our head now. And we got it all sanded down. First thing you want to do is take a wet cloth and you want to wipe that all off. You want to get all that sawdust off of there. Then I'm using this plastic wood. Any kind of wood filler works good. I use all different kinds. Just whatever I tend to grab at the time. So I put some in here and I add a little bit of water. So it'd make it a little bit more pliable, a little more runny, so it'll spread a lot easier. You'll find that makes it a little bit easier to spread out because it's kind of stiff when you're just using it from this, a little bit harder to spread out. So you get it all wiped down, and then we're going to start, we'll start with this mouth here. And we're going to cover the entire piece, the entire head we want to cover. And this will fill in any kind of scratches from or any little dings you might have in it from carving it out. This will seal it all up. Then you can take a little water on your finger and you can spread it out a little smoother if you want. You don't have to, because we're gonna sand this all down. Then we'll touch up spots that need to be touched up, and then we'll sand that down, and then hopefully by that point we'll be ready to prime it and get ready to paint it. But just, I don't know, I haven't found an easier way to spread it other than using your finger. So I tried a card. The card really doesn't work for this. Take a paper clip here and hook this in the back so we can hang it up to dry. We're done with it. But you find if you just want to wet your finger and spread it out, that helps too. Just hang this up and let it dry. I usually let it dry for 2 days. 2 days is pretty good. Then what I want to do is I'm going to start in the middle and work my way out. Want to cover the whole thing. This is where you want to cover up all those screw holes that you put in here. Like down here, you're just going to take it and fill it with this. Same thing with up here, you just want to fill those. And then after you sand it down, you'll have to add more because those will sink when it dries. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So we're going to continue on, get it all covered, and then we'll come back. Thanks for watching.